So one thing we get contacted about quite often is the LED light on the tap.
Right.
So the taps are built with an LED here to give you a reminder to change your filter every 6 months.
Also, as well as the email we'd receive, you also have that physical light flashing, so you know it's time to change the cartridge.
Exactly, that's right. So this LED here will flash red when the filter's 6 months old to give you a reminder that at that point you should be changing the tap. There's no fault, which is sometimes what we get asked about. There's nothing wrong at all. It just means the filter's due for a change at that point.
Which is great because 6 months can pass, it feels like it's a week sometimes, and you wouldn't always diarise in 6 months I need to do it. So to have that is kind of like your reassurance that you know your tap will tell you when it's time to do it.
That's right, time flies as we all know.
Absolutely.
Busy lives, and before you know it, 6 months has gone.
Yeah.
So yeah, the red light is showing you that the filter is due for a change. It will also flash orange if the batteries in the timer module need replacing.